Welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how you can set up Packer on Ubuntu server hosted on Azure. So simply click the link in the description box to come to this marketplace listing for Azure, and from here you want to create a new virtual machine. So for that, simply click on Get It Now and then click on Continue. After that, from this product page, you need to simply click on Create. And then you would be brought to this page where you can customize your virtual machine. So choose the subscription that you have, choose a resource group by either creating a new one or by choosing an already existing one, and then give your virtual machine a name. I'm going to call mine as Packer. And then most importantly, choose the region where you want your virtual machine to be deployed. After that, scroll down and choose the image that you got from the link in the description box, because this is the image that comes pre-installed with Packer and all the prerequisites required for Packer to create a new image. After that, simply choose the size according to your requirements. And then for the authentication type, you can go with the SSH public key or you can go with the password protected access. For the sake of this tutorial, I am going to go with the SSH public key. After that, you need to select a username. I am going to call mine as CIS, and then when you're satisfied with the settings, simply go with review plus create. After that, you need to wait for the validation process to complete, and once the validation is done, simply click on create to actually create the virtual machine. But this time around, it is going to prompt you to download the private key and create resource. So click on it and download the private key in a secure folder, because again, this is the private key that you would be using to connect to your SSH terminal of your virtual machine. After that, simply wait for the deployment process to complete. Once the deployment is complete, we can access the SSH terminal, and for that we need to click on go to resource. After that, click on connect and choose SSH from the drop down menu. After that, you can see this command right over here. So copy this command and open up either a command prompt or a PowerShell, paste in the command and replace the private key path for the path where you have downloaded your private key. After replacing the path for the private key, simply hit enter, and when prompted, type in yes and hit enter once more. And then you would be able to access the SSH terminal of your virtual machine. Now, as I've already told you that this image comes with pre-installed Packer, and we can verify the installation of Packer by typing in the command packer space -v and hit enter. So this command is going to tell us the version of Packer that we are currently running. So as you can see that we are running version 1.6.5. Now we can run some basic commands for Packer, and to get the list of commands, we can type packer space --help. Now this is going to show us the list of all the available commands for Packer, and we can try something out like packer space inspect, which is going to inspect the current template, or maybe we can write in packer space HCL2 _ upgrade. Now this is going to convert our template from JSON to HCL2 configuration. Anyways, that was it for this video. If you have any queries regarding this tutorial, make sure to leave that query in the comment section down below. And make sure to check out the link in the description box for the marketplace listing for Azure. And if this video has helped you in any way, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.